Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us. On our website, rewire.ai, you can navigate over to the Polygon tab. So you can head over to researchers or head over to Polygon. And what we've got right up the top is just the ability to download this right onto your computer. So Polygon is an application that's going to live on your desktop or on your computer. So I'm on a Mac, I would download that. And then from there, this is a normal installation process that you've experienced from anything else you download. Some security protocols that you'll probably encounter during the download process are, just to verify that you do want to install this on your computer. It's something you're getting from the internet. So these are things that you should expect to see. It's typical to see that. It's not anything to be concerned about, but do feel free to reach out to us if you have trouble with installation. So great. This is probably what you're seeing if this is your first time. If it is your first time, head right over to create an account. This is pretty straightforward. All you need to do is enter your name, email, and password. That email address is going to be used to send you a link to verify everything and get logged in. And this is an important step because Polygon is a registration, is a login that you can use on any computer you install it on. So if I go onto my work computer and log in with my email address, I'm going to be able to pull up my same license. So this makes it possible for you to work anywhere, really easy to transition back and forth, but that's why you register. So here I'm going to log in now. It's always scary to try to remember my password in front of people, but I think we got it. Cool. So there we are. Another thing that we enabled in here is actually two-factor authentication. So really cool if that's something that's important to you. Yeah, thank you for joining us today. Really excited to get Polygon into your hands, see where you take it, see what you can do with it, download it, get going with it, and let us know what you think.